Hi there, it's Sam from Pootles.co.uk. Thank you very much for joining me today. I've got a kit for you. This is the birthday card organiser kit and I'm really excited. I've got one. This, I think, is going to make an incredible gift. I really do. I think it's going to be great for us, but I think it's also great for somebody who perhaps isn't crafty or claims they're not crafty. I believe everybody has a creative bone in their body, but I think this is a great way to get somebody started. So, ooh. Was that meant to be in there? Did that come in there? I think it did. I don't know, because this has been open and sat on my desk for a week and I've not got around to showing you. So, yeah, look at this. So it's called Birthday Card Organiser Kit. So you've got a binder and some cards. I genuinely don't know any more than that. So let me get this tape off because my ring light is reflecting. Filming in winter is going to do that for you. Okay, so I'm going to pull out the instructions and then get everything out. So, what have I got here? So, like I say, I'm looking by the fact that that has been cut off perfectly. I'm guessing that comes with it. I've got some sequins, some mini glue dots and some dimensionals. I've got cards here. So I've got envelopes, 2 stars, so gingham, check and stripes. I suspect these are card bases or card blanks. So I've got this check and then I've got spots and die cut shapes, lots of them. I've got the months of the year in looks to be a mixture of all sorts of languages. Yes, January to December in English, French. I'm going to guess probably Dutch and German. And then I've got It's Your Day, and then in all languages, some die cut panels, Happiest Birthday, again, oh no, these are stickers, and then our birthday organisers. So let's have a look at this. Okay, so I've got a pocket here at the front and I've got a pocket at the back, so I'm guessing make your cards and stash them there. Well, actually, no, maybe not. So that's January. Well, there's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and 12. So you are writing down people's birthdays because it's numbered 1 to 31. So obviously there's 31 days in January, but there's a maximum of 29 in February. There's 31 in March. April is 30, 31 in May. June is 30, July is 31, August is 31, September is 30, October 31, November 30, December 31. So you've got a maximum of 31. So you would probably put your, you'd put the month across the front. Oh no, I want English for me. So I'm going to go January there. And then you'd write down whoever's birthday in January. I'm trying to think. I don't think I've got any family in January. February, none. March is me. April are 2 of my sons. So I mean, no, I'm not going to forget my children, but 17th and the 30th for my son. So you write down the date and then you make your cards and you store them inside. And I think that's brilliant. So let's have a look at these cards then. So I'm going to pull out my instructions. I did not see those. Where were they? I did see them. They were on this bit. Ooh, okay. So I'm going to go the first card here at the top. So that has got a panel here, and it says to put tear and tape on the back. So I'm going to do exactly as I'm told. So tear and tape along the bottom of that. And where's that going? Is that going straight across? Pretty much is. And then my die cut shapes, all of them. It's really pretty, aren't they? And these, it's saying glue dots, but I'm going to totally cheat and use seal that I've got here. Handy. They're very pretty cards. I'll say that for sure. Where does that one go? Up here? Oh, I've stuck it down now. Little bud there. And then those under there. And what does it say? It's your day. So obviously I'm following exactly what I'm being told to put. Don't want to break the rules. Actually, that's a really nice card. And then with your envelope, I don't know which envelope. Oh, yes, it's going to be this envelope, isn't it? So with your envelope, you then pop it. You can probably even put it inside, but then you add it to wherever you need it for. So it could be your aunt's birthday or your best friend's birthday or, whoever. So fabulous. So that's one. Number 2 is this card base. And that uses this panel up there. This one there, and then the sentiment straight across it. So again, it's telling me to use tear and tape, but I'm not. I'm going to use this. I'm not very good at lining these up perfectly, so yeah, see, look, not very good. We're pulled at the bottom. I'm going to cover that up. I like that these are not too complicated. There's no stamping, so which is why I think this would make such a great gift for somebody who says, I'm not a great crafter. I'm not very creative. Yes, you can be. And then this one uses sequins on it. Did the other one? Oh, yes, the other one did too. Oh, well, I didn't add them. Naughty me. Where am I going to put my sequins? Anywhere. One there, one there. And again, with the envelope, which is the striped one, pop it inside, grab your organiser and stick it in a different month. I might add some sequins to this one, because I don't want to be a rebel. Oh. And I think that is really, really clever. Just brilliant. And yeah, you could make, however, I don't know how many cards comes with it. What does it say? 12 cards, so you get 6 of each. You just add your dates, you write down the person's birthday on there, and you just pop your cards in. And if you just want to have a stash of cards, you could add them here to the front. Perfect. Absolutely brilliant gift. I love it. I think that's gorgeous. Anyway, thank you ever so much for joining me. Hope to speak to you very soon. Bye.